How to download edits in Instagram app on Android. Want to get started with editing your Instagram post like a pro? Here's how to download the edits in Instagram app on your Android device. First, unlock your phone and open Google Play Store on your device. Here, tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap the search bar at the top. Here, type in edits in Instagram app. Once you type it in, hit search. Once you hit search, the app should appear at the top of the results. Tap on the app to open its page. Now here you will see an install button. Go ahead and tap on it, and the app will begin downloading right away. It should only take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once the app finishes downloading, tap open to launch the app. Now you are ready to start editing your posts and stories. What's the first feature you want to explore in this app? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.